What's up everybody, welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I'll be working on the queen of my garden, this beautiful Sabina Juniper. And I already cleaned the tree up, that's the first step. As you can see in the time lapse here, that's taking off all the crotch growth in between, all the dead twigs. And I also try to clean a little bit of the live vein, so by removing the bark in certain places and exposing the part that's inactive to create more deadwood, as you can see here. And now the next step, we already have the front that will be more or less here. There is this branch over here that's very nice to have the thin live vein that goes all the way around it. And now I will show you with a close-up. I will separate here, as you can see, and then I will bring the first branch that is now crossing over here. I will bring it down on this where you can see my hand here to create the first branch, and then we will build the tree from there. This is the first styling, so I will be setting the structure, and then to make this tree become more and more beautiful in the future. It's already a work of art, a Yamadori tree, and the first thing that I did was repot in this pot when the tree has a lot of foliage to recover. And now a year later we can set the structure and start building this tree. So let's get into it and get started. So here you can see that this is the part where it goes up, and I have to split over here so that I can take this whole branch here and move it this way. So the first step is to separate over there. So that's it. Here you can see that I successfully separate that part, and now I will wire the part of the branch so that we can move it. Before I do that, I will use some more raffia here, and then we can move this part. Here we can see that the character branch, the main branch, is already wired, and now I can see that I need to fill this space over here so that we have some depth and we can frame this beautiful dead wood, and you can focus on this part instead of your eyes going towards this kind of void in the middle. So that's what I will do now, put the branch over there and continue the wiring process. So here I'm working on this part here on the back, which really, you can see the wood is all red. It's It's really hard wood, so that we can also minimize this and make it looks nice. So now I almost finished to wire the whole this side, the whole left side. And now I will come back here and see how to balance the tree. And I also finished the wire on the back. As you can see, we have a nice framing of the whole deadwood feature here, and also here. This is all deadwood, and I will later on, when the tree is finished with the wire, I will make with lime sulfur to be everything nice contrast with the white and the live vein of the tree. So now I'm here, and I will probably get rid of some of the branches here on this side, so that we have like asymmetrical place here, that we have the weight on the character branch on this side, and then finish the tree off on that side as well. Here you can see that on this side everything is also nice and organized better with some pads, and this will fill out and create some nice. I still need to finish the apex and this part of the tree, so let's continue. Now the wire is finished for the first styling. I wired the whole tree. Now I'm gonna make it wet, clean a little bit the deadwood, and apply the lime sulfur here. So before you apply the lime sulfur, you have to wet the tree. So I water everything now. I will apply it and show you the end result. So now I finish applying the lime sulfur. Still drying, so tomorrow I will show you the end result when everything is dry and you can see the whole tree. So here we are with the final result of this first styling of this tree. So the lime sulfur is all white, and you can see clearly the contrast now between the live vein and the deadwood feature. I really enjoyed making this tree. It's, I think, my best work so far, and I also hope you like this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.